Hello everyone, my name is Hassan Ayaz and I'm going to be part of Tetr's class of 2028. Here's 5 things that helped me in my Tetr application. But before I explain that, what exactly is Tetr and why did I choose it? Tetr is a global business university where you learn business by practically building a business. With Tetr, you learn, explore, and create businesses in 8 different countries. Now, why exactly did I choose Tetr?
Teter is the only university that truly recognized the efforts behind my accomplishments and provided me with a very generous scholarship for that. Teter is not just a business course, but you actually receive a bachelor's degree in business management towards the end of your 4 years. With Teter, you also have access to an amazing team that is always available for your support. Here are the top 5 things that have helped me in my successful application.
Practical business applications is probably one of the most important things because it really shows your enthusiasm for building businesses rather than just learning about them. Some of the businesses that I had worked on before applying and included them in my application were a plant business, a tutoring business, and Amazon FBA. A strong academic background is necessary to show your determination and your passion for learning. I had achieved an average grade of A* in my GCSEs that really helped me with my application. Having a leadership role prior to your application is highly valuable as it shows your ability to manage a team. And later down the line, when you have your own business, you'll be working with a team to build that business together. I had the role of a deputy head boy in my school, which really made me stand out in my application. Taking part in extracurricular activities is also necessary for your application, as it really shows your contributions to the wider community around you. It could be taking part in music groups, or in running clubs, or even charity events. It has to be something that you feel deeply passionate about. Some of the things that I did in my school were that I was a part of a teaching and learning council, as well as a running club. Having a good reference is also important to provide an insight on how you conduct yourself with others. So although it is important to maintain good grades, it is also important that you maintain respectful interactions with others. And always remember, with great conduct comes great references.